Yeah. Must be magnificent, but when you mention it, this is greatness that you're witnessing. Back on top again, ain't no stopping it. Killing this shit and it's obvious shit. Still no accomplishments, fuck. I ain't afraid to acknowledge it, that's why I'm bombing shit. Yeah, the way I'ma shine, ain't no need for no polishing.
What is up, guys? How are you guys doing today? I'm finally gonna reveal the bike to you guys to show you guys what type of bike I got and just how it is and stuff, guys. I didn't really dive too deep into this video because we just did our Friday nights with SOB ride out, guys, and we just went riding. So the next video I'm gonna try to make an actual walk around video talking about the bike and stuff like that. But here is just gonna be me riding it, guys. Getting this work in, guys. It is almost 2 in the goddamn morning. Almost 2 in the morning. So, guys, I'm gonna wrap this vlog up for y'all. Show y'all a little bit of the bike when I picked it up. Me first riding it when I first got it. And then a bunch of footage from earlier today from our Friday night with SOB, y'all. So, I am extremely tired. I'm up here. I'm up working for y'all, making sure I get this done for y'all. And next vlog, I'm gonna definitely try to do a walk around video of the bike, explaining the bike, startup, all that stuff, so y'all can actually see it and not just me riding it, guys. So I appreciate y'all rocking with me. Everybody who was guessing what kind of bike I got, so many of you guys were right. So many of you guys were close. I just couldn't let you know that. You feel me? But guys, like, comment, share, subscribe. Do what you guys do best and enjoy the whole video.
We are outside. As y'all see, title and thumbnail of the video, we out here on the big 250, you feel me? Yes, I said it, big 250, 4-stroke. Yeah, we turn left. Big 250 4-stroke, you hear me? So, oh, loud ass 2-stroke. I mean, I had to switch it up for the channel. One time for the one time, you feel me? So, comment down below if you like the bike. 2021, y'all. A fresh truck. Friday nights with SOB. We outside. Let me know how y'all like Breezy on a 4-stroke. Guys, to be honest with y'all, I fucking love this bike, I swear. This thing is so crisp, so fresh, so powerful. You feel me? Like, watch this. Hold on. Woo! Let's go. Oh! Drop back, drop back, drop back. Keep it up. Woo! Yo, I love this bike, I'm telling you. Yo, I fucking love this bike. I never knew I would love a 4-stroke this much, y'all. Like, this shit is ridiculous. Gas? What you want to do? The Electron will last us there, but it's up to you. Yeah, the gas station there? Yeah. Yo, this bitch don't want to drop. Let's see. trust y'all. Y'all love this bike, I'm telling you. I never knew a 4-stroke. 2021, y'all. 250F. We outside. You mean? Don't make me hit that blue button on y'all. Hold on, there it is. Don't make me hit that blue button on y'all. Good day. Yeah. Leak. We outside, this shit litty lit. Huh? Dope shit and all that. Where is y'all man's at? Ooh. Hunter, I'm about to go get gas now. You wanna go get gas now? That's what I'm saying. I'm about to go get gas now. Huh? Still recording?
Still know accomplishments, fuck. I ain't afraid to acknowledge it, that's why I'm bombing shit. Yeah, the way I'ma shine ain't no need for no polishing.